Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna bake our Pillsbury sugar cookies for 20 minutes at 350. While our cookies are in the oven, I am just grabbing a bowl. We're gonna come in with some light brown sugar. I'm gonna put a whole cup of this in, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, perfecto. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, not to be confused with baking powder. All right, I'm just gonna kind of give these a little mixy mix before we add in our wet ingredients. All right, we're gonna add in our wet ingredients, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. All right, we're just gonna whisk this together because you know what they say? No whisk, no reward. Perfect, this is coming together so easily. Gosh, I hope this is gonna spread enough to accomplish what we're looking for today. I think it will, but we'll see. In the future, I might make this a little bit more because I like things to be extra thick. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that texture. That is gorgeous. Alrighty, we're just gonna add in 2 cups of chopped pecans. I'm actually just adding in what was left in here. I don't know, it's probably 2 cups, that looked like it. And I'm gonna stir this all in to our beautiful sort of caramel sauce here. And y'all, this is so easy. I can't wait to show you the next step. Alrighty, y'all, our cookies were baking for 20 minutes. Now I am grabbing our caramel pecan topping and I am just gonna glop, glop, glop this right on top. Ooh, look at how thick and delicious looking that is. Of course, we're gonna need to spread it. I'm probably gonna use my glove in a second here, but I wanna make sure I get all of this ooey gooey goodness out from my bowl. All right, I'm just gonna try and spread this a bit. Of course, it is going to spread during our next little step here too, because we are gonna be popping this back in the oven in just a second. Kind of like those wonderful brown sugar candies you make at Christmas where you put it over pretzels and everything delicious like that. Alrighty, perfect. Alrighty, y'all, I'm just gonna pop this back into my oven for 15 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, I let our delicious pecan bars cool completely. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Cookie crust on the bottom. Sweet, sweet caramel style pecans on top. That looks amazing, y'all. Okay, this is delicious. Y'all, this is delicious. You have got to try this.